it can help us with writing. So when we talk about sensory imagery, we are thinking about the senses. We all know about our five senses: vision, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. What does that look like in writing? Well, let's look at chicken noodle soup. I hear slurping, I smell chicken, I see yellow broth, I feel slippery noodles, I taste salty vegetables. These descriptions make the chicken soup come alive for us. So, yes, how can we make our writing great through sensory imagery? It's really not that difficult, and it's a lot of fun. Using our senses in our writing, first, we need to make sure we understand why we are doing it. It's again to make the reader feel like they're right there inside our narrative through these details. So I came up with a bunch of examples for you guys. Let's look at Jungle by Boogie with the Hootie. I was walking in the rain with my tins on, stepping over puddles full of pain. It's a big storm. What are some sensory images that he is using in this very rich lyric? Lose Yourself by Eminem is one of my favorite songs of all time. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already, mom's spaghetti. What do these details do to us? They pull us in. What senses is he using in these lyrics? And then there's this beautiful song that Beyonce sang for the Lion King soundtrack that was recently released for the remake. So let's see which are some of the senses that she's using in this example. Yeah, yeah, and the wind is talking. Yeah, yeah, for the very first time. With a melody that pulls you towards it, painting pictures of paradise. Saying, rise up to the light in the sky. Yeah, watch the light lift your heart up. Burn your flame through the night. Whoa, yeah, yeah, and the water's crashing. Try to keep your head up high while you're trembling. That's when the magic happens. And the stars gather by your side. Saying, rise up to the light in the sky. Yeah, there's several senses in here that are making this writing rich and powerful. What are they? Another interesting one. Which ones is this one using? Sight, sound, or touch? What do you think? Listen, the snow is falling over town. Listen, the snow is falling everywhere. Between Empire State Building and between Trafalgar Square, between your head and my mind, between your God and mine. Listen, the snow is falling over town. This one's by John Lennon and Yoko Ono. And you would think the snow is an image, right? Is sight. But listen gives it a whole another depth and dimension. So I hope you're inspired to use senses in your own writing. I think there's a document for you in resources that gives you some suggested descriptive words for the five senses. Just remember, these are just examples to kind of get you started. Use these to inspire yourself to come up with a lot more. But take a quick look at them. Sight can be blurry or brilliant. Sound can be a buzz or a cackle. Touch can be fluffy or gooey. Taste can be bitter or bland. Smell can be foul, smelling, or fragrant. And so much more.